Welcome to Handwritten Heritage Recipes. We're so glad you're here with us today. Around this table, we cook the way it's always been done. Simple, from-scratch recipes passed from one generation to the next. Each week, I will be sharing one of my favorite recipes from my box, so we keep these memories alive. Be sure to watch until the end, where we include a bonus recipe that you can try on your own. So grab a cup of coffee, a pencil, and a recipe card, and let's get started. Today's featured recipe: baked custard. Beat 5 eggs with 1/2 cup sugar. Gradually stir into 1 quart milk. Flavor with lemon or vanilla and add 1/2 teaspoon salt. Grease the sides and bottom of the baking dish or custard cups. Sprinkle a little nutmeg over the top. Bake until a knife comes out clean. 60 to 75 minutes for a large dish, 30 to 40 minutes for custard cups. Let's begin. These are the ingredients needed. Now go ahead and beat 5 eggs with about a 1/2 cup of sugar. Slowly stir that right into 1 quart of milk. Cooking from scratch brings a warm feeling to a home. Add a little lemon or vanilla for flavor and about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Grease the sides and bottom of your baking dish or your custard cups. Now pour that custard right into your greased baking dish or into your little cups. Just sprinkle a little nutmeg over the top. If you're using a big dish, it'll take about 60 to 75 minutes. For custard cups, check them around 30 to 40 minutes. Bake it until a knife comes out clean. Now that's baked custard just the way it ought to be, soft in the middle, warm all the way through, and simple enough to make any day feel special. You'll smell that nutmeg as soon as it comes out of the oven, and when you spoon into it, it's soft, creamy, and melts right in your mouth. Extra recipe 1-minute cookies. Stir together 1 stick oleo, 2 cups sugar, 1/2 cup milk, and 3 tablespoons cocoa in a pot. Mix well and bring to a rolling boil. Boil 1 full minute. Remove from the stove. Stir in 1/2 cup crunchy peanut butter. Add 3 cups oatmeal. Stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla. Drop by teaspoonfuls onto wax paper. Let set until firm. The rolling boil check. Start your timer only when the entire surface of the liquid is covered in large, vigorous bubbles that don't go away when you stir. Peanut butter. Choice. The recipe calls for crunchy peanut butter, which adds a nice texture often missing from modern creamy versions. Oats. For the best set, most people recommend quick oats, 1-minute oats, rather than old-fashioned, as they absorb the chocolate mixture faster. These yummy 1-minute cookies will have them coming back for more. Thank you for joining us today. Like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed today's recipe. From our home to your home, see you next time. Be blessed.